This is YaadMentz.
So it start now. Should I be talking? Huh?
Alright everyone, so we are here at the Ramada Plaza by Wyndham. This is our room. Nice little Punta Pacifica.
Yes.
Okay, so this is our room. Nice little bed, nice little space, nothing too fancy. You know, get a little TV. We'll have a nice view right here. Wow, of the city. Oh my. Yeah, in the morning it might look really nice. I can't say a lot. Yeah, it's a really nice view. Trust me. It's really nice. Oh, see the pool area down there. Yeah. Might do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, see a basketball court over there, or football. Nice little spot. So for the room, you get the regular. So you get a coffee making machine. There are cups, there are coffee here with creamer. We did get 2 bottled water and I put them in the mini fridge, the mini bar. You know, you get your safe if you have anything important you want to put in there. This is the closet. You know, standard iron board, a few hangers, etc. And this is the bathroom. Nice little bathroom, can't complain.
Place looks really clean.
This is the shower right here. Can't complain. Nice little shower, you know. Yeah, so we'll talk to you guys a little bit more
When
we're settling, etc, etc. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So welcome to another episode of
YaadMentz.
So yeah, so what's up? Where we at? What we doing?
We are, guys, we are in Panama.
Yes.
We are in Panama for a little while and we decided to showcase and share our experience here. Yeah. It's our first time in Panama.
First time traveling together as well.
Yeah, first time traveling together out of the country. So it's pretty exciting. So we wanted to not just document it for ourselves, but also show you guys a little bit of what we're doing.
And share a little something.
Yeah. Before we get into the full video, I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys, so please go ahead and keep sharing the video. You know, if you don't subscribe already, share it with somebody else who you know will find the videos interesting. Also remember to like, I think you said that, hit the notification bell as well, so you're notified when we drop any video. What else? Follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz. Follow me at Just Debbie Marie if you want to. I have another channel as well. Those links will be in the description. Check out the previous videos on our channel, playlist, all that jazz. So we actually came to Panama yesterday.
We came yesterday.
Yeah, which was a Friday. Today's Saturday. So we came to Panama. We landed here straight from Jamaica. If you never know, if you don't pick up, we are Jamaicans, and so this video will be from the point of view of Jamaicans coming to Panama. Which
a lot of Jamaicans do come to Panama. You know?
I realize
it's a traverse for a lot of Jamaicans. You know? So
and it's what you would say, like a port for like if you want to go to other countries in South America, you can stop over here in Panama and then go to like Costa Rica and Guatemala,
even Europe. Because when we landed at the airport and I was looking at the tarmac and I saw other airplanes, the Turkish airplane and you know other European. So I think a lot of persons come here in Panama to go to other countries.
They connect here and go elsewhere. So we are at a hotel. We booked everything ourselves. We never use no travel agency or nothing. We booked everything ourselves. We just went on Copa, that's the airlines that we flew with, to see what the different days were, because they don't. We took a direct flight. I should mention there's a direct flight. I think twice a week, from Jamaica straight to Panama. So we took a direct flight. Here you do not need a visa to come to Panama as a Jamaican. You also, if you are fully vaccinated as a Jamaican, and all that information is on the Visit Panama website. If you're fully vaccinated, you do not need a negative COVID test. However, if you're coming from like one of the high-risk countries, and as I said, all of this is on their Visit Panama website, there are different stipulations and requirements for you. But for us as Jamaicans, if you're fully vaccinated, you don't need a COVID test. If not, you need a negative COVID test to come. If you can't take one before you board your flight, you will have to take one at the airport for $50. $50 US. And the currency that they use over here is US, by the way, if anybody was wondering. Okay, so let's tell you about the hotel. You can go ahead and tell them about the hotel that we're staying at. We're staying at the Ramada by Wyndham Punta Pacifica. Pretty close to the airport. I'd say maybe less than 20 minutes away.
So when we landed, we basically booked an Uber from the airport to come here. I mean, there was a little bit of a delay, you know, especially coming to the airport and then trying to book the Uber. I think one of them got cancelled and then we were there for a little while.
Waiting, and then something else popped up. And
so we were still able to get a nice Uber for like $18.
Yeah, which was expensive because a lot of the ones we were seeing before were like $10, $11,
$13.
But I don't know if it's the time that we landed, which would have been like in peak hour, I guess, going home time. You know, and a lot of people were in the airport as well, so it did take us a while to pass through immigration and, well, not really customs line was moving pretty quickly, but to pass through immigration, the line was super long, and it was taking a while. The AC never did work in there. It was hot to wake up people. But I mean, that's the least. Honestly, the process itself was not anything like strenuous. Them don't dictate, like, it's not well, our experience at least. Like, I mean, they just ask you how long you're staying.
Look at your documents.
And look at your documents. Verify them. That's it.
Verify.
But it's just the line that was long.
Yeah, the line was long. I guess a lot of persons were coming in when we were coming in here, so it was a long process.
Yeah, and then the other thing is as well, because you have to show so much documentation, because there's an affidavit, and if you guys want us to do like a actual video of everything that we did to come here, like before and we can do that. You guys can leave those in the comments if you want us to do like a sit down video. If you have any questions about it, leave it there and we'll probably answer them in a video or something. But yeah, because of, you know, COVID, there are a lot of other steps that you have to do, which is why I think it takes a little bit longer as well. So much things to check and verify.
You have to have your mask on.
Yes, the entire time.
Enter the plane, to come off the plane, into the airport here in Panama, you have to keep your mask on. I mean, you can, you know, take it off if you need a breather or drinking something or eating something, but they would constantly tell you keep your mask on, keep your mask on, keep your mask on. It's a thing that is constantly being said. And
I feel like anybody in the world should probably have that understanding already, because I mean, this is a global crisis that we've been going through for almost 2 years now. So yeah, mask mandate is definitely well in effect here, so make sure you have your mask whether you're vaccinated, yes or no.
So back to the hotel, as Devon said. As Devon said, we are here at the Ramada Palace. Ramada Plaza by Wyndham.
Wyndham.
By Wyndham, is it? Yeah, right? Anyway, so we booked it last night, you know, we were able to just come in and it was smooth transition. The receptionist just basically just took our information, you know, scanned what she needed to scan and gave us our ticket, and we were boom, here in the room. And
there was no line. I don't know. The hotel also seemed really clean. Like when I stepped in, I was like, okay, the place looked nice. Like it looks fancy, you know what I mean? Because obviously we've never been here before, so we have to be relying on like reviews and stuff like that. Yeah, so I was pretty impressed. I mean, no line. The receptionist spoke both English and Spanish. So if you guys have a concern about the language barrier and stuff, the good thing is that the receptionist or the front desk staff here, they do speak both. They're bilingual, so they speak English and Spanish.
So if you want, you can brush up on your Spanish just to seem like, you know, you can speak Spanish, because I know a little something we learned in high school, but you know.
Friend high school was a long time. That was a long time for you.
But yeah, brush up on your Spanish if you want to. But as Devon said, they do speak both English and Spanish. We were able to come in, checked in, you know, look at our room, and then we head out last night just to get a quick bite.
Because we were hungry.
Because you know we ate way before the flight, and then you have to wait at the airport. You have to wait at the airport and then the flight and then come through the immigration.
And the flight was a little bit delayed. I'm not sure what happened, but we left maybe half an hour after the specified time that we're supposed to leave, and the flight was full, guys. The flight was absolutely full, like full to the brim.
Yeah, so with this hotel, it is like a central place, so there's a lot of food establishments around it, and we were able to just literally walk out and just go around the road, and there was this food establishment. We were actually looking for
another one that we would have googled before we came. Before we came here, we wanted to try this place, but when we came, we realized that it was closed down. But there was another restaurant like across the road.
We were actually walking, and then you know we said, you know,
what's this place? And then two of the people outside, like our illegal people who come inside.
We ended up going like, come on, brought us inside. I was like,
oh yeah, you just pulled a fast one on us.
But it was cool.
It was nice.
It was nice.
It was an Italian restaurant.
Yeah, it was Italian
we had pizzas. Each of us had a pizza. It was pretty good. I couldn't finish it, so I actually carried back some. So I have some. I think it was called Assisi, something like that. Yeah, that's where we had dinner last night, and then we stopped by a little corner store. Sean wanted a little drink, you know, so we got a little drink, which is nearby. Everything is like literally beside the hotel.
No long walking.
And we got that and we came back. We just chilled a little, and we were beat. We're literally beat. So
and the view from this hotel to look out is really nice. There's a lot of high-rise building, and you can see the ocean out there. It is really nice, guys.
Even at night, it's so beautiful, like so beautiful.
Right. So we will try to show you as much as we can. You know, vlog as much as we can, so you guys can you know, have the experience with us if you haven't come here. But if you want to, look at our video and then plan a trip to come to Panama. I do recommend it. It is really nice just to get out. So far, just to get out of the atmosphere and just take a little trip and just come across and do whatever. So stay tuned and just continue to watch us and we'll show you more.
Yep. And also I want to say that the hotel was really clean as well. You know that we're living in a very serious time when it comes down to cleanliness, sanitization and all that. The hotel was really clean. We made sure to check the bed linen, the bedding, the bathroom clean, the floors clean. Everything was really clean, and I really appreciated
and
that.
It smells. It don't smell, it smells.
Exactly, you're saying it smells.
Nice.
As in it smells.
It smells regular.
I mean, it's,
I can't edit that out, but the smell was good.
Yeah, so yeah, come along with us. We're gonna go down and get breakfast now, so I guess we'll try our best to show you guys that. And I think we will be going to the mall today, so we'll try our best as well again to show you guys that. So yeah, we'll see you guys.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is our breakfast time.
Yeah.
Of course we're having some eggs and some quesadillas. You keep in mind that it's a Spanish country, so a lot of the foods are Spanish related.
Yeah. Spanish cuisine. I like the the things packaged, yeah. Trust me, they're very up to the safety. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. It's hella expensive to keep doing that. Keep using it in packaging, that's crazy. It's a beef in that one. Look at roast beef. Come over.
So this is the pool area. We're just checking it out right now. We're not going to use it today. Nice pool. Nice.
The pool is small though.
Yeah, nice and simple. Roof. I realize there's a lot of rooftop pools here.
Yeah. Because they have a lot of skyscrapers and stuff.
And the towel rack for the pool. This is the gym. Not sure. Not going to use it today.
That's all. We're on vacation friend.
So, and you have to use your hotel key, put it on the door and it will open. Morning. I think our room is right there.
Yeah, you can see Ramada, the sign and everything.
Oh, see the shower here. You can shower before you're going in and after. So guys, we're going to head to the mall now. We ordered our Uber, it's on its way. So we're going to head down, meet up with the Uber, and then we head to the mall. So we're here at the Albrook Mall. Just got dropped off. This is a huge place to be
I think it's one of the biggest malls in Panama.
Okay.
City, I think. So it has a lot of stores that I think are like American kind of stores. It opens at 10. We got here a little bit early, so.
Oh, 10:30. Oh, no, 10, right.
Yeah, it opens at 10, so we got here a little bit early, so we're just waiting for it to be open. And then we will show you guys. We'll show you guys where we go as much as we can, because we want to shop too. So yeah, we'll show you as much as we can. They have a Starbucks over there, so what else were there? I think we have like Forever 21 and some of these clothes stores, but I'll show you guys. Yep. And them say Panama is supposed to be good for shopping. And they have some Christmas decorations already and stuff.
Yeah, the Christmas decor. The what's this called again? The nutcracker.
Nutcracker.
The nutcracker soldier.
Yeah.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Buenos dias, guys.
Buenos dias, buenas, buen dia, and all the like.
Yes,
Guys,
yes.
I feel brush up on my Spanish.
So it's another day.
Another day.
Yesterday we ended at Albrook Mall.
Yeah.
You'd have seen some. We're going to share some views of you know, just walking around.
Yeah, that was a huge mall. Like it's so easy to get like.
They were tiring. We
confused.
went there like reached there probably like after 10.
We reached there before 10, remember? Because the mall opens at 10 and we got there actually
about maybe 10 minutes or so before it opened, so we're literally waiting outside, and people were outside waiting, you know, like them literally are sitting and wait.
And probably some of them were workers, you know, and such.
But I think the workers can go inside because they have to.
No, what this girl that I saw, like, but it's neither here nor there, but persons right there waiting.
Yeah. So yeah, that mall has like over 700 stores, and it have like different sections and whatever, and sometimes you feel say, oh, I passed the section here already, but you never passed it before. Like you try locate where the stores them are based on the section, and it's not like they're in. So they have like an animal to describe each section. So if the section is T, they say it's T for tiger, so that tiger is the animal
that represents that area.
That represents that area, and different stuff like that. But yeah, lots of walking. Honestly, I wasn't really impressed with the mall.
Right. I mean, impressed. What I mean, impressed with.
When I say impressed, like with the shopping, like I thought the shopping would be like really good and whatever. But to me personally, it's more. So the items are cheap, right? But the quality is also cheap. So you know, like if you go somewhere, maybe like maybe an American store, and like you get a sale price or you get a affordable price, but the quality is still good, right? So in some of the store them, not the high-end stores, because they do have high-end like name brand store, Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, like Aldo them store there. But in the other stores, like the prices are low, but you can tell like it's China things. But you just have to look as well. You have to be willing to look and see, and you know, separate and whatever the cheap things from the better quality stuff. But I wasn't really impressed. We didn't really buy anything. No, 700 stores, and we didn't buy anything, and that's not usual.
Yeah, we walked a lot. There was a lot happening in the mall though. The mall is nice, it's beautiful. I saw that they had a carousel in the mall, and they had trains going around for kids. You know, there was so much happening, especially when it reached like in the 12 o'clock.
Oh,
that was the time when
afternoon.
Afternoon. That was the time when more persons come out to shop, and the mall was packed.
Yeah, the mall was full. It was full.
The food court was jammed.
Yeah.
We never got to show up, but we had KFC. We tried the KFC.
We tried KFC. So you know, in Jamaica we have Zinger. Them not call it Zinger though, but we had a chicken sandwich.
Right.
Them not put nothing else on it. It's just literally lettuce and the chicken.
Yeah.
And the bread.
Yeah.
That's it. And you get a coleslaw with it. So I think you could have get fries if you want.
So you have an option of fries and coleslaw.
Yeah.
And you get a drink as well. But
it was salty.
The chicken was hella salty. Like I've never
really
tasted
salty.
KFC chicken so salty before, but yeah, them said Jamaican.
And I think that's a thing too, because the pizza that I had yesterday was not yesterday.
Right.
The first day.
Right.
The pizza that I had the first night, it was really salty too. So I don't know if it's a thing. I don't know. But yeah, it was salty.
It was salty, yeah. We must mention though, being at the hotel, because after we do all of that time.
Oh yeah, we came back to the hotel. We came back like what time? And the Uber was fine and everything, guys.
Yeah,
we
were able to get the Uber to and from, and
it was
the price
the same.
Was like the same price.
$4
something.
something. So you know, we just gave them $5.
Right.
And stuff like that. So yeah, it wasn't bad, and it didn't take any time.
No time.
We didn't have to wait no time. Like literally, we booked the ride and it would have said like 6 minutes away. And it turned in at like 2 minutes, 1 minute. The person was there quick.
And it all depends on the traffic of the area, because when we were leaving, there was heavy traffic. There was a lot of taxi.
Leaving the mall,
leaving the mall, right?
Yeah.
Leaving the mall.
Because it's right beside the section that we left out of. Because as I say, it's a big section. So the section that we entered in when we just came, it was what did I say? More on the. No, there wasn't.
Side.
Yeah, parking side. But when we left, it was like the exit was like right where the bus terminal is. So taxi outlet, bus out there, people out there. So it was really busy, and then the time of day was kind of like, what time was it? Like after 2 or so?
Yeah.
So it was really busy at that time, but we made it back. Never have no issue. We don't have an issue with the Uber drivers. Nothing. Most of them don't speak any English, so you know. We don't talk, we just enjoy the ride basically.
Right. So if you're staying anywhere you're staying, it probably is what's that called? Airbnb or whatever.
Yeah.
You just know say you need to have a little grocery with you. You know, you buy your snacks, your water, always have your water and all of that, because they might not offer that type of water, you might have to buy water. So keep that in mind. You know, you can do a little grocery shopping if
needs be though. That's just if you want to, because if you go out on the road every day and you probably like buy food, you probably come back and you're not hungry, or depending on what you buy,
food prices are not that bad.
Yeah, they're not. Maybe depending on what you buy as well, you can
eat it another day. So it all depends on what you choose to do. So when we did come back to the hotel after Albrook Mall, we chill a little bit, nap a little bit, and then we got up and we're like, okay, we're gonna go to the mall that's really close to where we are, that's like walking distance, which is the Multi Plaza. So we went there like after 5, almost 6 o'clock. We walked there, literally probably like 4 minutes walk. And we didn't really get to do much. That mall as well was full as well. And they had, because it's Christmas time, there are a lot of Christmas decorations and stuff, and it's like they have little, I don't know if it's just little like entertainment at night time for the kids and stuff. They have a lot of areas where you can take pictures with the kids and, you know, the works. So we're hoping to go back. Yeah, we're hoping to go back because we didn't spend a lot of time.
And showcase more of us shopping as well.
Yeah.
So we can get on all of that.
Yeah, because I feel like, I feel like that mall more has like, so that mall has like Forever 21, it has Gap and stuff like that. And some other American stores, not so much the Panamanian stores, because the Panamanian stores, there were a lot of those in the Albrook Mall. So these have more, I guess, maybe high end. They have like a luxury section of the mall as well with, you know, the name brand, Guess, this, that. But I think we're gonna go back because we didn't get to spend a lot of time there just because it closed at 8. And yeah, so we're gonna go back there. Today is actually Sean's birthday, which is why we're here. We're here for Sean's birthday. I don't think we mentioned that before. No. Yeah. So today's Sean's birthday, so we're just enjoying. We're enjoying Sean's birthday today. We actually today are, so that was yesterday. So today we went and had breakfast as usual. We told you the breakfast is included. And we're now by the pool. So we're just chilling, getting some sun, because inside the hotel, if you know about hotels are usually like really cold. So we're just out here getting some sun, probably chilling in the pool a little bit, and then I think we're gonna just chill, I guess, and then head to the mall, and then head for dinner, Sean's birthday dinner, which is where we're going is at the mall that's close by. So right. Yeah, hopefully we can get some nice pictures as well for his birthday in the different little areas that we can take picture over the mall. So we'll see how it goes, guys, but it's honestly not bad. The language also, you know, people are probably wondering like what it was like in the stores and stuff. Not bad. I mean, most people do not speak English honestly, but you're able to understand just because you know, you gesticulate or you say, you know, pick up little things.
They say they might speak a little.
They say they might speak a little bit, but most of them do not speak like it fluently or speak it to really understand completely. So you have to use like basic words, but we understand each other, so it's not that much. That's not that hard. We did also stop at a supermarket last night as well, pick up some stuff like some waters and some little snacks, some little things we can munch on like in the night and stuff, like when you know you're having a little munchies.